I hear a sound beyond the Celtic Sea, a sound that speaks of home. What will happen? Providence alone knows. There is beyond the sea a land I know that sings of home, that sings of many things, and many hours long gone. For though we go into the hours that come, to home there clings a molecule or two that went away, and calls betimes again across the waves that lap this exile shore. For but a day, bad many days, rest ever 'neath their graves. And yet I would again re-sing this song, and accent fond I know I would here come in pulpits old to stand, for I belong to what I am, and sounds of safest home o'er this horizon call at whiles again. For harmony ere lost is strangest pain.